Most people spend 40 years working. They earn hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions, over a lifetime. And they retire with almost nothing, not because they didn't work hard enough, not because they didn't earn enough, because nobody taught them the one thing that actually separates those who build wealth from those who don't. This video is about that one thing. Here's what most people do with money. They earn it, they spend it, they save what's left, which, most months, is nothing. This is called paying yourself last, and it's the reason the majority of people never get ahead. It feels logical. Pay your rent, buy your food, cover your bills, whatever's left, that's yours, but that model has a fatal flaw. When money sits in a current account, it disappears. A dinner out, a subscription you forgot about, an impulse purchase at 11 p.m. The money doesn't vanish because you're irresponsible. It vanishes because that's what unallocated money does. The 3% who build wealth do something different. They pay themselves first. The moment their salary hits their account, before rent, before groceries, before anything, a fixed amount moves automatically into savings or investments, not what's left, a fixed amount. First, this single habit, more than income, more than education, more than luck, is what separates people who build wealth from people who don't. The principle was first written about in 1926 by George Clason in a book called The Richest Man in Babylon. Almost 100 years later, it still works because human behavior hasn't changed. Here's how to apply this starting today. Step 1, decide on a percentage, not an amount, a percentage. 10% is the classic number. If you earn 2,000 euros a month, that's 200 euros, moved automatically, before you touch anything else. Step 2, automate it. Set up a standing order the day after your salary arrives. The money moves before your brain has a chance to spend it. Willpower is unreliable. Automation is not. Step 3, forget it's there. That money goes into a separate account, ideally one that's slightly inconvenient to access. Not invisible, just not instant, out of sight, out of spend. Building wealth is not about earning more. It's not about knowing the right stocks or the right timing. It starts with one decision, to take a piece of everything you earn and protect it before life has a chance to absorb it. That's it. That's the habit. Simple, uncomfortable at first, life-changing over time. If this was useful, subscribe. Next week we'll show you exactly where to put that money once you've saved it.